Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your Edifier MP260 using your iOS device. So basically we have only one option how to make it, is to create a widget. So press and hold an empty space, then click Editor plus at the left top, add widget, and now scroll down. Click on batteries, and choose the best one widget for you. That's okay for me. And after you decide, click Add Widget. You can check right here battery percentages, but make sure that your speaker is turned on and connected to your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!